Hello guys, welcome to our channel Homeopathic Trios. We come up with various videos on different topics of homeopathy. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Dr. Kent had once said, "We must potentize all the available animal milks, including the human milk. They can serve as great homeopathic remedies." So today we are going to learn a very important and most commonly prescribed milk or a lac remedy, which is Lac Caninum. Lac Caninum is a remedy which is prepared from dog's milk. To prescribe any remedy in homeopathy, we should first understand the personality of that remedy. To understand the mind or personality of a Lac Caninum patient, you just have to remember one single word, that is domination. Domination is the main central theme of this remedy. Laccan personality revolves around this word domination. If a weaker person tries to dominate the Laccan person, he will behave in a very aggressive manner and will never allow that person to dominate him. Here, the Laccan person is very irritable and ferocious by nature. However, if a stronger person tries to dominate him, then he surrenders himself and develops a feeling of low self-confidence. He then starts questioning himself whether he is in the right place or not, and then later starts feeling forsaken and dirty about himself. This same feeling of feeling dirty about oneself is seen in the remedy Ambrosia. Now when we compare the dirty feeling of a Laccan to that of Ambrosia, the dirty feeling of Ambrosia is very intense. Ambrosia feels like shit, while Lac Caninum's dirty feeling is a very superficial one. To understand or learn more about the remedy Ambrosia, please do watch our video already made on it by clicking on the I button or by getting on its link in the description. Now let's have a look at different features of Laccan's personality. A very important symptom of Laccan mind is its absent-minded nature and lack of concentration. A Laccan person is so absent-minded that he will make some purchase from a shop and then will walk off from that shop without taking that product. A Laccan child has a great lack of concentration. He just cannot focus on his studies and makes a lot of mistakes in writing and speaking. A Laccan person is very forgetful and absent-minded by nature. A Lac Caninum person will always crave for appreciation. He tries to please and tries to be liked and cared for. But when he doesn't get that appreciation, he starts feeling forsaken. Another remedy which craves for appreciation is palladium. The difference between palladium and Laccan is that palladium craves for good opinion about himself from others, while Laccan just desires appreciation of his efforts. Now a Laccan person is a very nervous, sensitive and a restless person. He is highly despondent and hopeless in nature. That is, he feels his disease is very incurable and cannot be cured. This patient has a great anxiety about his disease. He feels that every smallest symptom that he gets is a serious disease and cannot be cured at all. Now let's understand, where does Laccan act best in our body. Laccan acts best on female reproductive system organs and in cases of rheumatism of extremities and back. Laccan is also a very good remedy for all the throat complaints including diphtheria and tonsillitis. We will learn each sphere of action of Laccan one by one in the further part of the video. Laccan is one of the best known remedy for rheumatism of back and extremities. The patient has swelling in all his joints and there is a pain as if someone has beaten him. The most interesting point of a Laccan's rheumatism is that the pains keep on shifting from one side to another. The patient gets aggravated by slightest motion of the joint and is also aggravated by heat, while he feels better on cold applications. The spine of the person is highly stiff and it aches from the nape of the neck up to the coccyx. Laccan is a milk remedy, and thus its main sphere of action includes the female breasts. Laccan works very well in cases of mastitis where there is a swelling of the breasts. The most striking feature here is that the female has to hold them firmly when going up and down. Now, Laccan also acts very well in cases of GALACTORRHOEA. It dries up the milk completely. Now let's understand the action of Laccan on the female reproductive system organs. The sexual organs of a female are very sensitive to touch and are aggravated by slightest pressure or by sitting or by walking. The remedies known for this particular symptom are murex and platina. The murex females get violent sexual excitement on slightest touch of sexual organs. Laccan is also a very good remedy known for physometra, that is discharge of flatus from vagina. Remedies known for this symptom are lycopodium, sanguinaria, nux moschata, bromium, etc. Now, menses of a Laccan female are very early, profuse, and the blood flows or gushes in a bright red viscid and stringy flow. The female experiences a severe abdominal pain or sore throat during the time of menses. Now, Lac Caninum is the most important throat remedy. It works very well in cases of tonsillitis and diphtheria. There are shining glazed appearance of the diphtheric deposits with yellow and white patches which indicate the use of Lac Caninum. Now, Lac Caninum is a preventive medicine for diphtheria. Laccan comes very close to lachesis in its use for throat complaints. So let's have a look at their differentiation. Laccan and lachesis throats are both sensitive to touch, both internally and externally. However, the appearance of the throat in Laccan is shining glazed appearance, while that in lachesis is dark blue appearance. Now, lachesis throat complaints get aggravated after sleeping, while Laccan doesn't have that particular symptom. Laccan's throat complaint shoot up to the ear, while lachesis pain of throat doesn't shoot up to the ear. Now at the end, we will have a look at some symptoms which will help us in confirming the use of Lac Caninum. The first important symptom is erratic disposition. That is, the symptoms will keep on changing sites and locations. For example, a person will have rheumatism of left extremity on the first day, while he will have rheumatic pains in the right side on the second day. A lactant person is extremely sensitive to touch. He will always crave for milk, condiments and highly seasoned food. There is great aversion to the sweets, and the person is also very forgetful and absent-minded. Now, if you have liked our video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to give your honest and valuable feedback in the comment section below.